Hey guys, it's Kate Carlton with Keller Williams Legacy. I'm excited to show you my newest listing at 4309 South Mountain Drive in Raleigh. Come on in. Enter into the naturally light-filled dining room that would also double as the perfect at-home office. The tall ceilings and the large window in the owner's suite make this the perfect spot to end your day. The owner's bath features heated tile floor, a tile surround tub, and a beautiful roomy walk-in shower. Thanks so much for walking through 4309 South Mountain Drive with me today. If you have any questions or you'd like an exclusive showing, don't hesitate to reach out. See you soon.